Well.
All you gave me was your blessing, yeah. What's going on right now? When you let that know you still give out.
Is it what? What is filming? Whoa, you've been filming for an hour.
What? Holy time lapse.
Look at my watch on. Don't think I was even in the camera. Whoa, it tracks you. That's so cool.
Like 2 seconds.
It literally tracks you. That's freaking sick. What do you mean?
Like, oh no, look, you can turn it to selfie right now. Press the little, there's like on the screen, there's like a camera switch button, and then it goes to you.
Oh, that is tough.
Yo!
Bro, it's so
I
like
think
bright.
it's very strange.
Oh.
Yeah, just drop it and break it, yeah. Hey, welcome back to my YouTube channel.
I know you did YouTube, but I'd never actually seen your YouTube. I really like it.
It's like a chameleon.
My sunglasses.
Okay, so it is now 2 o'clock on Wednesday and I have a dance show this afternoon. This is the little poster for it. Yeah, the dance society at my uni is doing a dance show, but we're basically just doing a showcase of like all the dances that we've done in the society this year. And then we're also doing the competition routine that we did a few weeks ago in Nottingham. So yeah, I'm actually super excited. I'm gonna go to the pub with my friends after the dance show, and then later on I think I'm going to a different pub with one of the presidents of the dance society because it is their birthday. Okay, I need to go now.
Are you crying again? Would it be the same if I could hold you, my friend, your own?
How is this edible?
It's not edible.
This is edible.
That is going up on the wall.
That bit's just gonna rip off.
Kaya mo yan ganun mate.
Oh, yeah. Okay. So funny to me.
Behind me.
Okay, so it is now the next day after the dance showcase. I am literally sat here editing all the clips from the showcase. I didn't really film anything. All the clips that you've just seen are from like people recording in the audience and stuff. And then we went to the pub with everyone from the society, and then a few of my friends came. We just had a nice night, and then you just saw a clip, but my friends took one of the flyers, like that was just a photo of me, and they went and framed it for me. It's literally in the hallway right now. But yeah, I had such a good night, and now it's Thursday. I had a nice lie-in because we got home quite late last night and I was exhausted. So then I washed my hair, had a full body shower, just sort of a reset. And then obviously, like I said, I've been editing, and I think I'm gonna film a little clip for my Italy thrifting video, which I think I'm gonna put out before this video. This is probably gonna be uploaded like quite a while after I recorded it, because I would have already been to Italy. And I want that video to come out first. I don't know, whenever you see this. But I'm gonna now record a clip for that, and then I'm gonna finish this because I started it yesterday before the show but didn't have time to finish it. I need to do the back part of it. I also just got these like little silver like jewels through the letterbox that I'm also gonna stick on here, and then I need to bake it and then put like the resin thing on top. But yeah, that is my plan for today. And then I have a jazz dance workshop at 7. So yeah, but I really enjoyed the dance show last night. And I just like, last year when I came to uni, I didn't know about the societies at all, and then I met someone at a house party who told me about the dance society, and honestly it's made this uni year for me. Like, it's just so fun having a group of people with the same interest, and they are all so nice, and it's just so fun. Like, I don't know, I never thought I would be part of a society, and it's so fun. And actually next year I'm hoping to be part of the society, like one of the members who run the society, so that will be even more fun. Just thought I'd give you a little update on what I'm doing today, what happened last night. I'm gonna quickly show you the framed photo they got. Oh my god, it's actually really cute. They are so cute for that. They were trying to throw me off the case. They were like, oh, we've got you something. It was like something edible. So cute. I love my friends.
to do is wash your clothes. I don't want to keep you indoors. There is nothing for you to do but keep me making love to you. Love to you. Ooh, love to you. And I can tell by the way you walk that walk
we found a little food market in the forum, which is really cool. I don't really.
Lauren's buying ice cream.
No, I'm getting strawberries.
Oh, strawberries,
I'm
sorry.
getting chocolate strawberries. So why not? We are in the park. We've got Izzy's got. What have you got?
A blueberry matcha.
And Jess has got just a Dr. Pepper. I've got a Ribena, and I'm about to. Hang on, open my Smiskies. Yeah, in the park, getting some sun. Bye.
Well,
Bye.
bye.